Cute naman ang tsura.
Paano? Eh? Paano princess? Yung ano? Eh! Ah, sige.
Baby, darling, I know. I hate, I love you. Yeah, you make it so hard for me.
So guys, nandito na ako ngayon sa Pampanga at sinundo ko ng boyfriend ko.
What's going on for the rest of the night?
So good.
Tired of niggas not doing it right.
Hindi naman may gusto ko yung gantong magluto. Like, parang crispy lang.
I know you heard me, I ain't gon' say it twice. Too much talking on my line. I know the game go, this I can't deny. So fuck is you playing for? I know that I ain't playing right now. Just want someone to love, to hold at night, someone to hold.
So guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Bataan. May baboy sila dito dati. Namatay yung baboy ni Matthew. Pero ngayon, baboy na siya.
May vlog mo na kayo. May vlog mo na nakapakaiga.
Oo.
Oh,
Huwag niyong pansinin yan. Ipapost ko yun sa page ko. Aray! Ayaw mo parang. Lilisan kami ng paa. This is my club.
5-4 na! 5-4! Uy, lahat na!
Dito tayo sa Sir Yun na tatanggalin ng sapatos ng mahaba ang paa. Tulog lang po naman siya. Tulog lang po siya. Nakatulog po sila ngayon. Lalo na to. Ito ang pinaka-cute. Galit na po siya sa akin, pero okay na. So guys, kagising ko lang ngayon. Then, nandito na kami sa may I think Laguna na daw to. Then, nakatulog ako sa bed from the start until now. And kakagising ko lang. And siya is kakatulog niya lang.
Hey, picture! Hey!
My hands are shaking, stifle my breath. You look so lovely, it scares me to death. I used to get so insecure with you, it's different. Yeah, just something about you makes me so sure. Don't know what it is, but you make me
Pawis na
wanna
pawis ka
stay
na
till
pangit.
you fade. I know that you're safe, I know that you're safe. You'll be my parachute, baby, know you'll catch me whenever I fall. I fall. It's like my laces untied, got me tripping right into your arms. Your arms. Headed straight down through the night clouds, so is my heart bounce 10,000 feet, but you're my parachute, baby, know you'll catch me whenever I fall. I know you got me It's like my laces untied, got me dripping right into your arms. Your arms. Let it stream down. Another cloud soar as my heart pounds. 10,000 feet, but you're my parachute, baby. No, you'll catch me whenever I fall. I know you got me.
Ano, matabahan ako?
I know you got me. I know you got me. Falling for you fast, I'm not afraid to land, 'cause you're my only solid ground. Flecks of gold in your eyes, it feels just like a sunrise. This is gonna take me down. You'll be my parachute, baby. No, you'll catch me whenever I fall. I fall. It's like my laces untied, got me tripping right into your arms. Your arms. Headed straight down through the
So, tricycle era kami ngayon. Then, meron kami na paklasan na buy one, take one. 79 only. Here at Potato Eneme. Potato Eneme siya. Yay! Pag paggupit ka kahit hindi kita pinapayagan, anong gagawin mo? Susundin mo pa rin yung sarili mo o yung susundin mo ako? Sino nga susundin mo? Sino nga?
Wala akong susundin.
Hindi mo ako susundin? Pangit ka?
Nasabihan pa ako, break na tayo.
Paano yung kating ng mukha mo na?
Ewan ko kayo mo.
Kating-kating yung mukha mo. Paano?
I've been lost so long, I don't wanna be found. I'm stuck in my ways pulling me down. Sinking underwater, but I'm afraid to drown. I've been gone too long, the surface looks like the sky now. Got too many people to please. Ain't no time to focus on me. I wish I could make a lost time. Look for love, but I lost my way.
Saan tayo ngayon, guys? Saan tayo ngayon, Gab? Nasaan tayo ngayon?
Subic Bay.
Okay, taste. Okay. You will rate it.
Yung pinasiyagap ka.
Like it. Hindi. Ito na lang ako. Ito? Punta.
Ano? Nalinitan ka.
Hi everyone! Chuchu Benny! Hi! This is my cutie dog. Hindi na makita yung mata niya. Kasi ayaw niya magpagupit. Sir, it's cute.
Everyone I trusted for me always had to borrow something. I wish I could take back what's mine.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video is I'm gonna remove my contact lens. Wait, nasaan ang lagayan ng aking contact lens? Wait. Here. It's color pink from Shopee. Then I'm gonna demonstrate to you how to remove my contact. Okay. Nag-alcohol na din ako kanina pa ng aking kamay. So, I'm gonna remove it in the front of you guys. Tada! I removed my one. Okay. Okay, finally. My eyes is free. Charot. Okay, another one. Ay. Oh my god. Wait. Putragis. Wait. You see my other eye? Sheesh. Sheeshability. Wait. Siguro napapressure lang ako kasi I have camera. I'm gonna... Thank you, I remove you. Siguro. Wow, plakadong makeup cast. So, this is my final look. Chares. Nagpa-photoshoot kami ngayon. I'm gonna definitely buy a Get Ready With Me brow set. Look. I'm gonna buy that. No matter what happened. I'm gonna buy Get Ready With Me.